the handyman experience has been good for me. They do good work.
So Mr. Handyman is all about providing in-home and business handyman services.
There's a plethora of stuff that they can do. It's a full-service Mr. Handyman.
Mr. Handyman stood out because they could do what I needed done, and they could do it in a timely fashion. I really liked the way that they show up on time, they get the job done, they know what they're doing.
I would definitely recommend Mr. Handyman to others, not only because I feel like they are safe and thorough and insured and do good work, but also because they're just really good people. When they come to your home, they're very respectful of your home, they're very respectful of your time.
I know that when I recommend Mr. Handyman to anyone, they're going to come back to me and say, thank you for recommending Mr. Handyman, because no matter where they go, what they do, it's always an excellent job.